Hi, I'm Dev. I've been investing in the market for the last 15 years. Over the course of these years, I've attended a few sessions on investing, but the approach that Anant brings into his sessions is completely different. Couple of months back, I attended his first session, which was on timing the market. It gave a very good perspective of how you can use time to analyze and get your entries and exits right in terms of trading. Recently, I also attended his Elliot Wave program. Elliot to me was a very complex, method or structure of understanding the markets. But over the course of 3-day session that he does, he demystifies, what Elliot is and how to apply it in a very simplified manner, either to look at your long-term trends or to take your short-term calls with respect to trades. So his approach to his sessions is completely practical oriented with the knowledge of theory that you get as well. So I'm sure I've benefited from both the sessions that I've attended. I would urge people who are really interested to gain knowledge to attend and gain from Anand's experience. Thank you.